What if I told you that your plain walls could become the highlight of your home without costing a fortune? With 100 creative and affordable DIY boho wall art ideas, you can transform any space into a masterpiece. From simple projects with everyday materials to unique designs that look professionally made, we've got it all. And the best part? Idea number 100 is a hidden gem you won't want to miss. Welcome to the Design Lounge, your go-to source for creative home decor ideas. Today we're diving into the world of DIY boho wall art, where creativity meets affordability. Bohemian style is all about personal expression and artistic charm. And what better way to showcase that than through stunning wall decor you can make yourself? Whether you're looking to add texture with macrame, play with bold patterns, or upcycle materials into unique pieces, this video will guide you through 100 inspiring ideas. Stay tuned till the end for an exclusive tip that will elevate your wall art game to a whole new level. Macrame and woven art are staples of bohemian decor, offering a perfect blend of texture and artistry. Start with simple macrame projects like plant hangers or wall hangings, which you can create using just a few knots and some natural cotton rope. Experiment with weaving techniques to make unique patterns and designs, incorporating beads or colorful threads for a personal touch. If you're feeling adventurous, try crafting a large macrame backdrop for a bold statement piece. For woven art, use small wooden looms or upcycle materials like fabric strips to create intricate tapestries. These projects are not only fun, but also incredibly rewarding, transforming any blank wall into a boho masterpiece. Painted canvases and abstract art are fantastic ways to add a splash of color and personality to your boho walls. Start with simple techniques like brush strokes in earthy tones, such as terracotta, sage green, and mustard yellow. For a more dynamic look, experiment with abstract shapes. Circles, waves, and geometric patterns work beautifully in bohemian spaces. Use stencils for clean, consistent designs, or go freehand for a raw, artistic vibe. Layer colors to create depth, and don't be afraid to add metallic accents like gold or copper for a touch of glamour. Whether you're an experienced painter or a beginner, creating abstract art on canvas is a simple yet effective way to elevate your decor with a personal, handmade touch. Upcycled materials are a boho decor lover's dream, turning ordinary items into extraordinary wall art. Start by repurposing old wooden planks into rustic wall panels or creating a geometric design by piecing together scrap wood. Use leftover fabrics to craft patchwork wall hangings or frame vintage scarves for a unique look. Empty wine bottles can be cut and used as hanging planters or candle holders to add depth and texture to your walls. Old picture frames can be painted and strung with twine to display photos or dried flowers. The beauty of upcycling lies in its eco-friendly nature and limitless creativity. It's all about seeing potential in forgotten items and giving them a new, beautiful purpose. Boho tapestries are a must-have for creating a statement wall with minimal effort. Start by choosing fabric in earthy tones or bold, vibrant patterns that align with the bohemian aesthetic. You can paint your own designs onto plain canvas or linen using fabric paint, incorporating motifs like mandalas, sunbursts, or abstract shapes. For a textured look, try hand-dyeing fabrics using tie-dye or dip-dye techniques to create soft gradients. If you prefer a no-sew approach, simply attach the fabric to a wooden dowel and hang it with macrame rope. Layer smaller tapestries over larger ones to add depth, or pair them with fairy lights for a dreamy boho vibe. These versatile pieces instantly elevate your walls while showcasing your artistic flair. Framed, botanical, and nature-inspired art is a timeless way to bring the beauty of the outdoors into your bohemian space. Start with pressed flowers or leaves, carefully arranged and displayed in glass frames for a clean, minimalist look. For a more dynamic piece, consider framing dried herbs or even small branches with intricate textures. You can also create your own nature-themed prints by painting or sketching botanical designs on neutral backgrounds. For an earthy touch, use reclaimed wood or bamboo frames to complement the organic aesthetic. Arrange these frames in clusters or as part of a gallery wall to make your boho decor feel alive, fresh, and deeply connected to nature. Mirror and frame combinations are a brilliant way to add both functionality and style to your bohemian wall decor. Start with mirrors in unique shapes like sunbursts, crescents, or asymmetrical forms, and frame them using rattan, macrame, or reclaimed wood for a natural, earthy vibe. You can also repurpose vintage frames by painting them in warm, muted tones, or wrapping them with colorful threads or yarn. Mix mirrors of different sizes to create an eclectic cluster, or pair them with empty decorative frames to add depth and texture. The reflective quality of mirrors not only enhances the room's lighting, but also adds a sense of openness, making your space feel brighter and more inviting. Wall hangings, crafted from everyday materials, are perfect for adding a creative and budget-friendly touch to your bohemian walls. Use yarn to create colorful tassels or pom-poms and string them together for a playful garland. Recycle paper to make origami shapes or layered designs, then attach them to a wooden dowel for a unique hanging piece. Beads, feathers, and shells can also be strung into intricate designs for a natural, textured look. For a rustic vibe, gather driftwood or small branches and combine them with twine, ribbons, or fabric scraps to craft an organic and artistic display. These simple materials allow for endless possibilities, making your wall hangings as personal and imaginative as you want them to be. Cultural and global-inspired art brings the richness of diverse traditions to your bohemian walls. Create Moroccan-style wall panels using stencils and metallic paints to mimic intricate tile patterns, or hand-paint Indian mandalas on canvas for a vibrant focal point. Use Turkish kilim fabric scraps to craft framed art pieces or wall hangings, adding texture and history to your space. Incorporate African-inspired designs with woven baskets or tribal masks arranged as wall clusters. You can also experiment with Japanese-inspired calligraphy or paper art to bring a minimalist yet meaningful touch. These cultural accents not only celebrate global artistry, but also make your walls a testament to the beauty of diversity in craftsmanship. Layered and textured wall art adds depth and dimension to your bohemian decor, creating a visually dynamic statement. Start with a wooden or metal base and layer on materials like burlap, fabric, or jute. To form a tactile backdrop, add driftwood, woven details, or macrame accents to create a three-dimensional effect. Combine materials like faux leather, yarn, or beads to craft intricate patterns and textures. You can also use layered geometric shapes or overlapping fabric panels in earthy tones for a contemporary boho look. These pieces invite the eye to explore every detail, making your walls come alive with character and artistry. Personalized wall art is the perfect way to infuse your bohemian space with meaning and individuality. Create a gallery wall featuring framed family photos, travel mementos, or hand-drawn sketches that reflect your journey. Add a personal touch by painting inspirational quotes or meaningful phrases on reclaimed wood or canvas. Use letters or symbols that hold special significance to craft wall hangings, or display a collage of postcards and ticket stubs from memorable trips. For a unique DIY project, hand print designs onto fabric or canvas for a one-of-a-kind keepsake. Personalized wall art not only enhances your boho aesthetic, but also transforms your space into a deeply meaningful sanctuary filled with your stories. And there you have it, 100 DIY boho wall art ideas to transform your home with creativity and style. Which idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your favorite DIY projects and how you plan to incorporate them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Design Lounge, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more amazing decor ideas. If you're ready for even more inspiration, check out our next video. It's packed with stunning tips to elevate your home decor game. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.